we're going to teach JC how to do butters, about moving your weight and your hips over past your legs. That obviously lifts the board up without you lifting it up. And the idea is we're going to get him to penguin walk. So, if you turn sideways, so you're facing me. Right, okay, cool. So, if you put your weight on your board, you're on a flat base, yeah? And your weight is whatever. If you move your hips to your left, okay, you keep moving them, what you'll find is the board will slowly come up. When you get to the inside here, you keep moving your hips, it keeps going. Yeah, so now look at the height I've got without actually lifting my leg up. And the same thing on the other side. If I move my hips, if I keep going, once I get in on here, the toe comes up. And if I keep going, more comes up. And if I keep going, it goes even higher, yeah? So that's buttering, which you can do tricks with. But it's also how you penguin. Okay? So if you think, if I rotate like this, if I go hard enough, the board's going to start moving. Same way if I go hard the other way as well, the board's going to kick that way. So all we're trying to do is we want to go like this to lift the board up, and then we want the rotation that we begin like that. Okay? So something over here. So all you want to do is go onto the right side just a little bit, and go onto the left. That's it. Fine. Do that. Go back to the wall. And do that on your other side. So switch the other way. Okay. So you got to make sure that your weight is more sideways or towards your toe. Yeah. So start straight again. So you're going to go straight into the right. Fine. So you're now just on the right side. With your left. So you're going to go look to your right. Turn your to the left, turn to the left, all over. Stop the right thing, turn and then move your legs, move your arms. So the more weight, the more weight, if you only do that much weight, the more than it comes there. The more weight you do, the higher it comes up. Yeah? So really just chuck the stuff. Okay, you're there, you've got it right, you've got the rotation. So you want your weight, the practice going on this left side, try and hold it. That's the feeling you want. Okay, so you can go more than that, you can go more than that. Back up here. Okay, no, right. No, don't touch it. So do your lean towards me. I'll catch you, okay? Now you want to keep up. Okay? Keep leaning this way, okay? You see the ball coming up, yeah? Now do the same thing the other way. Keep going, wait. You want to get more than that, keep going. That's it, okay? So that's how far you have to be across. When you go like this, that's how far you have to be across to get the ball up. Yeah? So try and do one here, so just a little bit like right, round around to the ball. So this goes up in the air, goes across, yeah? Okay, try this then. So go on the side that you feel comfortable on. So obviously on my left side. And then from there, try and jump onto your right side. Jump onto the left side. Get the ball off the ground, that's it. And then jump from there and then try and land on the other foot. That's it. And keep good, that's it. And then jump the other way. That's it. You've got yourself in a little rough, yeah, you can't go backwards, so even if you could just try and do it on the same ground. So you just feel like you're just hopping, yeah? And then all you're doing is feel like you're just going like this. So you just, exactly what you're doing. So the more you hop, the more you get the force. You've got to properly get your weight. It's hard, but so from there, bring your foot up to your face. You're going on, That's it. Okay. That's good. Yeah. When you put it all together, I'll put it from one foot to the other. So this is good. You're just sliding, you're just sliding, yeah? Yeah. You've got to get the ball in the air. And the only way you get it in the air is if you put enough weight onto that side. That's it. Just focus on your toes. So from there, you can so don't rush the ground. Over this now. That's it. No, that's good. So same thing again. So turn that foot, try and get this foot here without brushing that snow. So the easiest way to do it, you're going to load up your right side a little bit. Not too much, no, not too much, just a little bit. Just put your hands. Sorry, the other way. You're going to go there, you're going to turn your hands, put your weight on that side, as your weight goes onto that side, this foot's going to come round. That's it. There you go, didn't rush any of that. Let's do that. There's the same thing. That's it. Keep your weight forward. Okay, and then the same thing again. So try and get this foot in here. Don't rush the snow. That's the one. That's it. So just every time you come to the top now, start right here and just do that. And what you do is then you get out of breath, you go, oh, I want to do it properly. And you properly go, yeah? Come on, Mr. Dan. Oh, do you want to hold it?
I don't mind.
Yeah, go and do one more run.
Alright.
You ready?
You go first, yeah?
We're going to go big. That's it, get it up in the air. Okay, you're getting there. It's miles better than it was 10 minutes ago.
Yeah.
JC progress report. Can he penguin walk under pressure? Go. It's there. It's there.